Imagine a world where diseases are detected before symptoms show up. Welcome to the workshop on Medical Applications of Graphene, taking place from the 29th of August to the 1st of September 2024 at 4 p.m. IST. This isn't just another seminar, it's a glimpse into the future. Graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms, is thin yet incredibly strong, and it's transforming the medical field. From enhancing diagnostic tools to creating more effective treatments, graphene is a game changer. Picture sensors that detect diseases at their earliest stages, or drug delivery systems that target only the diseased cells, sparing the healthy ones. These are just a few ways graphene is revolutionizing healthcare. At this workshop, you'll dive deep into graphene's unique properties and discover how they're being harnessed for medical breakthroughs. Learn from experts, participate in interactive sessions, and see firsthand the potential of this wonder material. Ready to be part of the future? Join us from the 29th of August to the 1st of September 2024 at 4 p.m. IST. Don't miss out. Register now.